I want to show you how to make my balsamic glazed roast vegetable quiche. It's wholesome, it's versatile. We're going to start off by roasting some vegetables. Brand new packaging, which is really beautiful. And what's also new about this is that inside these roast vegetables, you've got your balsamic glaze, which comes in a little packet like this. Alrighty, let that roast for 18 to 20 minutes. And now we make the base for our quiche. And now we add in our cream and our milk. Some oregano, some smoky paprika, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, parsley, handful of spring onion, some cheese. And now we pop it in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. Look at that. And in we go with our quiche base. Put it in for 30 minutes and we'll take a look. How impressive is that?